there, any friends? It's Dawn from Ninja Bunny Crochet. It's my Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club time. This is for April 2023. But before I jump into the unboxing, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that little icon right down there in that corner. That will automatically subscribe you to my channel, and if you like content like this, please give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you like my videos. Also helps me judge what type of content you like to see on my channel. And don't forget to ring that bell while you're down there. That will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So, Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club is a monthly subscription that is $16.99 a month plus shipping. $4.99 shipping from where I am. I am in upstate New York in the United States. And for your first month, if you are just signing up, it's $9.99 plus your $4.99 shipping. And you get a package of yarn and a pattern every month. You have enough yarn to complete that pattern. So for last month, for March, right? Yep. Yes, that is. I can't remember what month it is. We had the reversible crossbody bag, and I did complete it. This is what my bag looks like. I had a little bit of trouble, so it's a little bit not so kind of skewed a little bit because the cotton yarn was kind of hurting my hands. I thought maybe it wouldn't. Like dish rag cotton did because it was mercerized cotton, but I still had a little bit of trouble with it. But I did complete the pattern, and so I went ahead and took a mandala and made a second bag, which I thought came out a little bit better, but I still had a little bit of trouble slip stitching it together because the yarn wasn't a different color, so I was having trouble finding my stitches. But I did make a second bag. I opted to do the short handle versus the long handle. But I think it did come out okay. You know, it did came out okay. But it wasn't, the yarn was not my favorite yarn because I'm really not into the cotton yarns because of my, between the osteoarthritis and the rheumatoid arthritis, cotton yarns tend to hurt my hands. Particularly the dish rag cotton. I thought the mercerized cotton would be okay, but it did end up hurting my hands, so it took me a lot longer to finish the bag than I thought it would, and it really did end up hurting my hands. But I did finish it, so I wanted to show you what the bag looked like. And let's get into April's opening, April's package. So I already cut open the package, and this is the invoice, and let's see what we got for this month. So we got a big package of yarn. Let's get the bag out of here. It says Honey Be Mine Blanket. So it looks like a baby blanket for this month. Let's see, we got Premier yarn. So let's see what the pattern is. It's called Honey Be Mine Blanket. That looks like a really cute blanket. Looks like kind of a wave stitch, and the border looks like it has these puff stitches. Here's on the back of it. And here's a picture of the stitch. So that looks pretty cute. Alrighty. And it's done with a lightweight 3 yarn. Let's see the yarn. So this is pretty soft. Not really sure how to pronounce this. Ciao? C-I-A-O, Baby by Premier. It's really super soft. It's a lightweight 3. And I believe this is 70% acrylic, 30% nylon. You get 557 yards, 510 meters. It's a 7-ounce ball, 200 grams. This is super soft. Definitely a lightweight 3. Very pretty. This color, let's see, it has color number 7, gray. And you get 1 ball of the gray. And then there's 2 balls of the yellow. Again, really soft. I like this yarn. Super pretty yarn. The pattern's cute too, so I'm going to look forward to making this. And this, you know, the colors are good. This could go for a boy or a girl. So if you're making, if you have a baby shower coming up, that could go for either a boy or a girl. So if the parents don't know whether they're having a boy or a girl, this would be a perfect blanket. So that's what we have. I think that's a pretty cute blanket, pretty cute pattern. I can't wait to get into making this. So that is what we have for the crochet month of the club. Crochet club of the, oh boy, I can't even talk. Crochet of the month club for Mary Maxim for April 2023. So stop back next month and we'll see what the blanket looks like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!